The shape we can see here is called a cylinder. A cylinder has an end which is a circle. This is a cross-section the same way as with a prism, and it's the same cross-section all the way down. However, it isn't strictly speaking a prism. Prisms have ends which are polygons, and a cylinder has an end which is a circle. If we look at the circular end, the radius I'll call r. The area then of the circular end is pi times r squared. The volume of a cylinder, just as with a prism, is the base area times the height. The height here I call h. We know the base area is pi r squared, and we multiply by the height. So the volume for a cylinder is pi r squared h. Now let's consider the surface area. We can see a circular end and another end here. Then we have this part, which is known as the curved surface of the cylinder. If we look at the net, here's one end, here's the other end, and the rectangle represents the curved surface. Try this yourself. Take the cardboard center of a toilet roll and cut it down here. Then roll it out and you'll find that you get a rectangle. You can do the same thing just by folding around a sheet of A4 paper. The circumference around here of the circle is going to be 2 times pi times the radius of the circle. When we unroll, that will be this side of the rectangle. The height here, h, will be the other side of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width, so the area here is 2 pi r times h. Now we have a circle. Pi r squared is the area of a circle with radius r. And we have two of these circles. The total surface area then is the curved surface area 2 pi rh added to two circles of area pi r squared.